Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Geetanjali Garg, and since you guys have already seen the title of today's video, I am going to be sharing a lot about YouTube SEO today. If you're somebody who's wondering why I do not have a lot of views or subscribers on my channel and how do I rank my videos to the top, this is the video that you should not be missing. Watch till the end of the video because I'm going to share some amazing tips and tricks to optimize your video as well. Stay tuned and let's get to it.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet.
Welcome back, guys. Before I dive into today's topic, I have received a lot of mails asking me on my social media links. So if you guys want to follow me on Facebook or Instagram, the social media links are mentioned in the description box. And if you guys want to stay connected and interact more with me on my Instagram page or Facebook, please go ahead and follow me by using those links. Starting on with today's topic, this video is definitely going to be on YouTube SEO, and this is one thing that I have always wanted to talk about since I've started my channel, but now is when I've got the chance to talk more about it deeply. This is one thing that you need to follow if you really want to grow your channel, because you might be focusing on one thing and you might be leaving the rest, but YouTube algorithm needs to work with all three to optimize your video well. Now you must be wondering, what am I talking about? What is YouTube algorithm? What is optimization? So to explain that, you need to understand what YouTube SEO is and why is it important. To make it more clear and to avoid the confusion, I would use a simple definition and try to explain it to you in a very simple language. YouTube SEO is search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is a way of optimizing your videos through small tips and tricks which help YouTube in recommending your videos to one of the top ranking videos. Again, in even more simpler language, optimizing your YouTube videos with all the small tools and tricks with which YouTube can recommend your videos to one of the top ranking videos is called search engine optimization. So anything that you do with which YouTube can recommend your videos in the top ranking videos is called search engine optimization. Why is it important and why I have been doing it is because there are a lot of things that go behind YouTube algorithm, especially when it keeps changing throughout the year. I think it's around average 200 times when the YouTube algorithm changes. And the three things that I mainly want to focus on in this video is title, description, and thumbnail. But if you're just focusing on title and your description and your thumbnail is not eye-catchy, or your description does not mention the right keywords. Now, what are keywords? I'm going to definitely mention it while I'm going through this video. But if you're just focusing on one thing out of the rest, then that is not a great way of optimizing your video. Your title must be a great title, it would be a searchable title, but if you do not have a great thumbnail, then people are not going to click on your video. You might appear as one of the search results, but if the thumbnail is not very good or professional or eye-catchy and it doesn't speak what the content is talking about or maybe relevant to the topic, your click-through rate is going to decrease, and that's not a very good sign for your YouTube channel. Again, if you have a very good thumbnail but your title is not optimized well, nobody is going to go ahead for your video and you might not appear on the search results of the viewer whenever the viewer is trying to search it in the search bar. So it becomes very important that you follow all those small things that are required to optimize your video well. And in this video, I'm going to share those details on what you can do to make the optimization through various things on your YouTube video so that YouTube can help you in recommending your videos on other channels or even ranking it to the top. The first thing that I need to start with is the title of your YouTube video. There are many ways with which you can decide the topic, but what mainly you need to focus on is the right keywords. I guess I also mentioned about the keyword inspector in vidIQ, if I'm not wrong, on my second or third video. The best thing that you can do, or I have been following while I have to make my title an optimized title, you have a wonderful title and you have an innovative idea that you want to share, but how will you decide the title to be an optimized title? To make it an optimized title, there are a few ways that I would like to share, and for that I'm sharing my screen with you guys on my laptop. And as you can see here, I basically go on the search bar on my YouTube homepage, and what I'm going to do is type in, for example, just the title of this video, YouTube SEO. Now you can see YouTube is already recommending you around 14-15 ideas with which you can go ahead and make a video on. The top being YouTube SEO. So go ahead and make videos on 15 different titles. Now I'm not saying that you need to upload the same content using 15 different titles. That is not how it works, and this is not something that I recommend. Yes, you can definitely make different videos using different titles. Make sure that you're either adding content or you creating new content. Or what I recommend is, if you are making a YouTube SEO tutorial, you can definitely make 4 parts of it, and why not go ahead. I think this is a great way of using all those keywords that are doing well, and you should make ample videos on that title or keyword. Now if I press enter here and see what the vidIQ score is, as you can see, the search volume is 73 and competition is low, and the overall score is somehow high, which is a very good score and a pretty decent score. Let me go back and search YouTube SEO 2022. Now, if I search YouTube SEO 2022, you can see the score is 67. So I will choose YouTube SEO over YouTube SEO 2022 because the score was better there. It was 73. So why not just go ahead and use that keyword? This is how you have a lot of ideas while you're using just the search bar and using vidIQ as a tool. These are the 2 things that I usually follow. But if you are somebody who has at least 50 or 70 or 100 videos on your channel, I think this is something that you might be knowing by now and must be following. But still, if you want to know that what can I do as somebody who has 100 videos already and still I do not have a lot of growth on my channel, go on the YouTube Studio and the content library on your channel, and you can see the most viewed videos. Pick up the top 5 most viewed videos, and since they are most viewed, they have a lot of potential and viewers would want to watch more content on the similar title. Do not upload the same content with a different title. This is not what I would suggest, and YouTube might also send you a request on taking down that video if you're uploading it with a different title. What I can say, just put some addition, some value addition to the content, make a version 2.0 or alter the title a little bit for it to be a version 2.0, and that is a great way so that both of the videos will be watched by your viewers and you will definitely get more watch time, and that will also grow your channel. These are the 3 things which you can follow: adding on search bar and looking at the title keyword ideas, and the second thing, using vidIQ tool, which I basically do. Since I do not have a lot of content and this is just my 4th video on the channel, so I do not know what is my most viewed video, but for that I would say use the search bar and the vidIQ tool. Once you have optimized the title and you know that your title is a good title with vidIQ score and also with a good searchable volume, the next thing that you would want to do is the description. For that, I would like to take you back to my laptop screen. If I type in YouTube SEO and press enter, you can see that YouTube is recommending me videos from these creators. Now, the reason behind that is because they have mentioned YouTube SEO complete course and YouTube SEO basics either in their description or in the title. Again, YouTube SEO to rank videos. So the reason why YouTube is recommending me all these videos is because they have mentioned their keywords in the description of their video. It helps YouTube to know that you are talking about a relevant keyword or a topic in your video, and that is why it becomes very important that you add all those keywords in your description as well while you are uploading your video. This can give you an edge over the rest of the channels because definitely if all these things are met, YouTube will follow all those special keywords and rank your videos. Once this is done, your title is optimized, you have mentioned all your keywords on your YouTube video. The next thing that you can do is the thumbnail. Guys, YouTube channel is your brand and thumbnail is the face of your brand. It took around 10 shots for me to memorize this statement. Okay, so YouTube channel is your brand and thumbnail is the face of your brand. No matter what, it's very important that you have brand preset colors for your YouTube channel. Now, I would suggest what I have done is I have picked around 4 to 5 colors as brand presets for my YouTube channel. And if you talk about any XYZ big brand or a luxury brand or a premium brand, since I come from that background, so I know a lot. You talk about any XYZ brand, they have their brand presets and that is how they work. Every time they have any marketing, promotion, or strategies, those are the only colors that they use. So if your channel is your brand, you also aesthetically go ahead with your promotions and with your marketing strategies. And for that, I would recommend just pick around 4 to 5 colors that you are repeatedly using in your thumbnails. That way, your viewers are able to connect with your brand and they know that this channel belongs to the XYZ creator. For example, there is one creator that I really watch a lot, and that's because I love her thumbnails and her channel is very aesthetic. So it has given me a kind of inspiration that I should be using the same colors. Now you can use 1 or 2 different colors, but make sure that your channel aesthetically looks good, and definitely the thumbnail should be eye catchy, it should be click worthy, and it should force your viewers to click the thumbnail and watch your video, because if your thumbnail is not very attractive, I think click-through rate will not be very good on your channel and nobody is going to watch your video. So yeah, these are the tips that you should be following while you make your thumbnail. So we are done with title, we're done with description, we are done with the thumbnail. Apart from these 3 things, there are a few small things that I would like to add, and what I have been doing since my second video. Yes, it's not possible on your first video because that is your first video, but if it's your second video, what you can do is add links to your first video or add links to your other videos in the description box. One thing. Second thing, you can mention the iCards. You can see the iCard that I have mentioned in my video in the right top corner. Apart from that, we have end screen, which you will be able to see when the video is ending. These are some small tips that YouTube has provided you as a creator for you to utilize them to your best, because if you are watching my video right now and if you press on the iCard video, it will show YouTube that you are hopping from one content to another and you are watching my videos from one video to another video, and that will tell YouTube that I have a great content and this is something that I should be recommending on either the top ranking videos or other channels. So this is one thing that you can use, and it's a very good tool and my favorite tool, especially the iCard, because I do not have to promote all my videos. I can just go ahead and add the iCard of the video which is the most viewed video. That way I am getting more views and more attention and more watch time on my channel. So yeah, I guess that's all about that I would want to mention when it comes to search engine optimization. If you guys want me to make a detailed video or a tutorial, I will make a tutorial specifically for this. But if you just want to know about the things that are required for you to optimize your video well, I guess you just need to focus on title, description, and thumbnail, and the iCard and end screen, and you're good to go. This is very, very important for you to optimize your videos well. YouTube SEO is one thing. If you're a new YouTuber or if you're somebody who has already built his channel, YouTube SEO is something that you just cannot go wrong with, and it became very important for me that I should be sharing this knowledge with all of you guys. So see you guys next week with another video on my channel, and I hope you like my videos. So if you like it, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell button so that when I come with my next video, you do not miss it as well. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you have a very good day. I love you all.
And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who